Hi everyone. So today I'm starting a new chapter that is Kingdom Plantae. As you all know that in Kingdom Plantae all the members are multicellular eukaryotic with the presence of a cell wall. Along with that they have chlorophyll and are capable in photosynthesis. ये तो हो गई जनरल बातें. अब स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स क्या हैं? जो किंगडम प्लांटी है ये डिवाइडेड है इनटू टू सब किंगडम्स एंड ये डिवीज़न इनका बेस्ड था ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टू कैरेक्टर्स. दो इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स के बेसिस पे इनको डिवाइड कर दिया गया था इनटू टू सब किंगडम एंड दीज टू सब किंगडम्स वर क्रिप्टोगैमी एंड फेनरोगैमी. क्रिप्टोगैमी वो मेंबर्स रखे गए थे इस ग्रुप में जिनके रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स हिडन थे एंड उनमें सीड प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता था. इनके रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन कभी दिखाई नहीं देते थे, सीड नहीं बनता था एंड दैट्स वाई इनको नाम दे दिया गया क्रिप्टोगैमी. एंड क्रिप्टोगैमी में तीन डिवीजन्स हैं. द फर्स्ट डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड थैलोफाइटा और इट इज़ एल्गी बेसिकली. सेकेंड इज ब्रायोफाइटा एंड द थर्ड इज टेरिडोफाइटा. फेनरोगैमी इट इंक्लूड्स द मेंबर in which the reproductive organ was visible. इनके reproductive organ visible थे. We were able to see them from outside as well as. And seed production होता था. They show the seed habit. इनमें seed habit थी. Seed produce करते हैं. It has two divisions that is gymnospermy and angiospermy. Firstly, we will focus on cryptogamy. So as I told you, cryptogamy with hidden reproductive organ without seed formation. They have the three divisions algae, bryophyta and pteridophyta. So हमारा first topic होगा algae. The study of algae is called algology or phycology. First of all, it was started by M.P. Iyengar. So M.P. Iyengar started the phycology. Algae, these are simple thallus-like organism. Thallus-like means the body is not divided into root, stem and leaf. इनकी body एक thallus form में होती है जिसमें ना तो root ना stem और ना ही कोई other part present होता है. And as there is no root, stem, leaf present, that's why they do not have any vascular tissue. No xylem and phloem is present in them. They contain chlorophyll. Along with that chlorophyll, they have some additional pigments. These are found in variety of habitats. These are mostly aquatic. Mostly aquatic means अगर mostly word आता है तो ये aquatic ही हैं. कुछ members होंगे जो terrestrial हैं but ये हैं basically aquatic ही. कुछ minute microscopic algae ये freely float करते हैं on the surface of water bodies and इनको हम plankton कहते हैं. As plants के लिए हम word use करते हैं phyta और phyto. So these are called phytoplanktons. Their cell wall is made of cellulose along with the ellagen. So ellagen इनका specific chemical है जो algae में ही present होता है. ये unicellular हो सकते हैं like in Chlamydomonas और colonial like volvox. Volvox they always live in the colony or filamentous like Spirogyra and they may be very minute like Macrocystis or too long up to the 6 meter like in kelp form. They reproduce by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. Vegetatively, they reproduce by fragmentation or budding. Asexual by formation of gametes. Gametes basically they form the motile gametes and these are called zoospores. And sexual by gamete formation. The gamete may be motile or non-motile. If the species is forming similar type of the gamete, these are called isogamous. And if both are different, these are called anisogamous. Different means one will be motile, another non-motile. एक में flagella होगी और दूसरे में flagella नहीं होगी. And their sex organs are single-celled. Single-celled होते हैं, multicellular sex organs present नहीं होते. So on the basis of cell wall composition and the pigments present in them, this group is divided into three subgroups and that is Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. So firstly, Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae, these are called green algae and their cell wall is made of cellulose. Cellulose forms the inner layer of the cell as well as they have pectose. Pectose forms the outer layer of the cell wall. इनमें chlorophyll A present होता है. Along with that chlorophyll A they have chlorophyll B and the chloroplast is in definite shape. It may be cup shaped, ribbon shaped or spiral shaped. The food in them is stored in form of starch, and this starch is stored on the pyrenoid, and this pyrenoid is present in the chloroplast. Chloroplast में कुछ swollen structures होते हैं, and these swollen structures are basically pyrenoids. इनको pyrenoids कहते हैं, and these pyrenoids are the stored food material, and that stored food material is starch. They reproduce by fragmentation, zoospore formation, and gamete formation. The example of chlorophycean algae are Chara, Volvox, Spirogyra, Eulothrix, etc. Second group is the Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae is also known as brown algae. So their cellular composition is different from the chlorophycean algae. That's why इनका नाम Phaeophyceae है. They have cellulose plus elgin. So cellulose and elgin present होती है इनमें. These are mostly marine species. They may have the simple or filamentous structure. They contain chlorophyll A along with C with additional pigments xanthophyll and carotenoid. एक special pigment इनमें present होता, that's called fucoxanthine. Fucoxanthine is present only in Phaeophyceae, and that provides them brown color. The food is stored as carbohydrate in form of laminarin. Laminarin के form में carbohydrate store होता है. Laminarin name is given ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लेमिनेरिया. इनकी एक स्पीशीज़ है जिसका नाम है लेमिनेरिया, जो ब्राउन कलर की होती है, एंड दैट्स वाई वो इनका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मेंबर है. द प्लांट बॉडी इज़ अटैच टू द सरफेस बाय अ होल्ड फास्ट. एक छोटा सा स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो एक सरफेस को अटैच करता है, उसको होल्ड फास्ट कहते हैं. एंड देन फ्रॉम द होल्ड फास्ट वन स्टॉक अराइज एंड देन अ लीफ लाइक फ्रॉन्ड. दैट स्टॉक इज कॉल्ड स्टाइप एंड द लीफ लाइक पार्ट इज कॉल्ड फ्रॉन्ड. They reproduce by fragmentation, zoospore formation, and sexual reproduction. Same. Isogamous भी हो सकता है and anisogamous. The example of this group is Laminaria, Fucus, Sargassum. Sargassum का नाम रखा गया है due to the presence of abundant sargassum in that sea. Last is Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae, these are called red algae. Their cellular composition is different from other two. They have cellulose, pectin plus polysulfate ester, and these are marine alga. ये भी marine होते हैं. They contains chlorophyll A, D along with R phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin erythrocyte से मिलता जुलता word है. So that means erythrocyte means RBC. उसकी वजह से हमारी blood red color की होती हैं. As they have R phycoerythrin, that's why they are red in color. The stored food is in form of Floridian starch. है तो वो starch, but उसका नाम different है. That's called Floridian starch. They reproduces by the same method, fragmentation and non-motile spore formation, and sexual by non-motile gamete formation. The examples of this group are Polysiphonia giladium. Giladium algae provides agar, and agar is used for jelly and other things. Now all the three divisions are over in this. Now the uses of algae. So first of all, the 50% of oxygen comes from the algae. जो हमें 50% ऑक्सीजन मिल रही है बेसिकली आती है फाइटोप्लैंक्टन से, एक्वाटिक मरीन अलगा से, एंड हमें जो मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन मिल रही है वो यही प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दीज आर यूज्ड एज फूड. लेमिनेरिया, पोरफायरा, सरगासम, these are rich in nutrients, rich in protein, and these are used in form of food. Agar is produced by the giladium and it is used in commercial purpose. It is used in ice creams, jelly, as well as it is used in tissue culture techniques. Chlorella and spirulina, these are rich in protein and are used as a space food. आप स्पेस में चिली पनीर एंड छोले भटूरे लेके नहीं जा सकते, आपको बस प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफ़िल करनी होती है. स्पायरुलिना क्लोरेला बहुत माइन्यूट होता है, इसको ड्राई करके स्पेस फूड के फॉर्म में यूज़ किया जाता है. छोटी सी पैकेट में इसको पैक करके रखते हैं, एक पीस आपको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट प्रोवाइड कर देती है. These algae are used in the sewage disposal in sewage treatment plants, that's called STP, and alginic acid is obtained from the laminaria. ऐसा नहीं है कि एल्गी से सिर्फ बेनिफिट मिलता है, दीज आर हार्मफुल टू. सो द फर्स्ट हार्मफुल इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द एल्गी इज यूट्रोफिकेशन. whenever the water bodies are rich in organic content, that time they support the growth of algae, and when the abundant growth of algae occur, that's called eutrophication or algal bloom. And these algae, they cover the surface of the water body, and due to which the other species, aquatic species living inside the water, they are not able to survive, as they take entire oxygen and then they decreases the oxygen, that is called oxygen depletion. They increases the BOD, biological oxygen demand, and therefore they kill those species. And these algae, these are epiphytic also, they block the drainage system and the other things as well. So this is all about the algae. Second, we will discuss bryophyta, that is the amphibians of plant kingdom. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you.